Hello, welcome to Mr. Shino Club. On this channel, we discuss about personal finance, investment, like investment in cryptocurrency, investment in stock, forex trading, and then we do discuss about design thinking, and we also share useful business ideas. So we are starting a series I tag 10x income series. On this series, we'll be discussing about different side hustle or streams of income that you can use as a side hustle that will be netting, or you'll be making like 10x every month. So before we get started, one of the side hustle that we'll be discussing today in this video is what I call is intelligent prime capital trading robot. Basically, this is a forex trading robot that helps you to trade forex market without you actively engaging in forex trading. It's very profitable, it's very lucrative, and it's something that you need to pay attention and use it, invest in that, and start making additional income. So, but before then, I would like to read this disclaimer, which a lot of people have asked what Mr. Shino Club is. And the first thing you need to understand that we are not an investment management firm, though we are working towards becoming one, but for now we don't have the license. So we don't offer individual tailored advice, and we are not a financial advisor. All we do is just for educational purposes. So whatever we're going to share, or whatever we share on this platform, it is advisable that you consult with your certified financial advisor. Then do more of your own research before you venture in it. We also have terms and conditions, but that is if you want to get involved in our club, we sign some terms and conditions. Thank you. So without further ado, let's get started. Here we have the course outline, or something that we need to discuss in this video pertaining the business idea or investment idea that we call the prime capital. We discuss what intelligent prime capital is and what makes IPC Forex Trading Robot unique. There's a lot of unique trading robot out there in the market. I've tried a couple of them, but IPC Forex Trading Robot stand tall when it comes to other forex trading robot. And I must say this, not just that, it have an amazing business model, and which we try to understand this business model, because when you understand this business model, it will help you to maximize your profits. And there is another thing that we need to discuss, is how to be making $50 daily in IPC capital, using IPC capital. Maybe you are in Nigeria, or maybe in any part of African country. making $50 daily is a very huge amount of money. So it's something that you need to consider, especially if you're a Nigerian and with the growing economic hardship in the country. I think you need to start making money in dollar, because that will give you an edge in order to cushion the effect of economic hardship. So the next thing we're gonna discuss is the steps to subscribe to IPC Trading Robot. What you need to do to subscribe to this robot and start using it. There's this thing going around on the internet, and people are asking if IPC Trading Robot is a scam scheme. Definitely, we have did a background check on this company called Intelligent Prime Capital, which are the owner of the IPC Trading Robots, which they have different trading robots, but the one I'm going to introduce to you is called the Genius Robot. We have did a background check on them, and we discovered quite a handful of things. One is that the company is actually registered in Canada, and they have the license they say they have, and also a broker. They are broker. When if you are trading forex, you know that before you trade forex, definitely you need to get a broker that will help you to assess the market. So they are broker, and although the question that people are asking boils down to the founding theme, and maybe I'll answer that at the later end of this video. So let's continue. What is Intelligent Prime Capital? Intelligent Prime Capital basically is a fintech company registered in Canada. I've said that they established to provide global users with a comprehensive suite of digital assets services, right? So they are a fintech. They are registered, and they are being in the market, test learning different technology or products they have developed in order to help investors, traders, and other users to access the digital assets, manage their digital assets, like forex trading, like cryptocurrency trading. But in this video, we are focusing more on the forex trading, and which is very amazing. So apart the startup, which I would like to call them startup, they specialize in research and development into the future of fintech. So one of the areas they build competency around is quantitative trading. So if you're a trader, you would have come across the word or the term system trading, as in building trading system. And what these guys did is that they build a trading system and then use quantitative or AI, artificial intelligence, to build this system. And they have just learned this system for quite long, for like some months, before they deploy it into the market. Currently they are operating within Nigeria, some part of Europe, some part of Russia, Singapore, Canada. So you can Google, you can do some of your research and Google them out. So they also provide cloud storage systems and enterprise management software. So they are into a lot of things, and they keep developing amazing product and pushing it into the market. So, but we focusing more on the leverage AI bot trading system they have developed, and we discuss why this trading system or robot is a very effective one that you need to consider, use it to make additional income. trading forex market. Forex market is a very large market. It's a very large market, and a lot of people are making a lot of money from trading forex, especially if you are using copy trading or artificial intelligence, because most times, due to people doesn't have patience to learn the nitty-gritty of trading, especially when it comes to technical analysis, then a bit of fundamental analysis. People struggle to learn the nitty-gritty, and because of that, they don't have winning. They lose trade, right? So, but and also in people's human emotion, our emotion comes into play, and that affects the winning rate of most people who trade forex. But with the aid of artificial intelligence trading system, you will maximize you start making consistent profit from the market, and that's what IPC Trading Robot have did by creating the amazing trading robots. We'll look into details about how the trading robot work and have the earning potential of these trading robots. So why is IPC trading robot unique? Like I told you that I've used a couple of trading robots previously to trade forex market, but IPC Forex Trading Robot is one that I just recently used, and it has been an amazing journey. Honestly, it has been an amazing journey. I love the result. The result that I'm getting from it. It is amazing, unlike other trading robots that I used previously in the past. So these have a very amazing features. That makes it unique. So we'll look into details these fixtures. They have what we call the referral program. This referral program increases the possibility of you making additional money if when you sign up or when you buy these robots, right? This referral, and they have a very amazing referral program that may create the possibility that you make more money when you start using the robot. The thing is that whenever someone you refer use your link or referral link to register, you get a percentage amount of money their first initial deposit. So for instance, if you refer someone and he deposits $500, you stand the chance of getting like $50 or $20 from that initial deposit, right? So another thing we look at is the feasibility. When it comes to feasibility, that's a very big advantage they have over other robots. One thing is that you can withdraw all your funds anytime you want, especially, but normally the withdrawals happens on the weekend, in weekends, right? You withdraw during the weekends, right? Because forex trading is a 5-day stuff, right? Forex market opens on Monday and closes on Friday. Pardon me. Right, forex market opens on Monday and closes on Friday. So from Saturday, Sunday, you are free to withdraw your money. Another thing that makes them the feasibility I love about this trading robot is that when it comes to forex trading, people who have traded forex, you discover that you need, maybe if you're in Nigeria, you need what we call domestic account in order to fund your forex trading account. So, but with this, with IPC Trading Capital, you don't need a domestic account. Anyway, I don't want this video to. Okay, welcome back. On part 1, we started discussing about. We stopped at when we are talking about the feasibility feature that makes Intelligent Prime Capital quite unique from other robots. And I made mention about easy to withdraw, your money. Unlike other robots that I make use of, there's a restrictions when it comes to withdrawal. Some will allow you to make withdrawal only on at the end of the month, but these every weekend you can make your withdrawal. So another feasibility feature of this robot is you don't require the domestic account. When it comes to trading, especially if you are residing in Nigeria or in Nigeria, you need a domestic account in order to fund your forex trading account, especially if you are subscribed, if you are using funding brokers, as in if you are using broker that is not in Nigeria. You need a forex you need a domestic account. But with IPC Capital, though they are not a broker within the base in Nigeria, we know we have forex trading service providers or brokers that are currently operating within Nigeria, and which you can run, which give you feasibility to run your forex trading using your Naira account. But this one, you don't need any bank account. You don't need to open any special bank account for it. All you need is to download any of the crypto wallet. They make use of cryptocurrency. We all know that cryptocurrency makes payment very hassle free. Makes it very convenient for you to make your payment without going through the hassles of the traditional financial payment solutions, right? So with that, they use what we call in crypto. There's some crypto. There are different types of crypto. There's something called the also coins, and then there we have the stable coin. So they use the stable coin. The stable coin is typically a kind of the dollar version of crypto. It have the same value to dollar, but it's crypto, but it have the same value to dollar, and most of its value is being pegged to dollar. So it's just dollar. It's typically a dollar, but in a crypto version. It's not the normal fiat dollar. So with a crypto wallet, you can get access to this dollar. You don't need to go through the houses of acquiring, sourcing for dollar. If you are in Nigeria, we just what you need is just to buy it on any P2P trading market, on either Binance or KuCoin. You can even call on us. We help you to. We have to sell. We have a P2P market where you can also buy this USDT. So it makes it quite easy for you. You don't require any additional stress. So next thing is the profitability and consistency. If you're a trader, one of the things that issues that most traders face is constant profitability and consistency challenge. Not every trader is consistent, especially if you are trading without a well tested a waterproof trading system. Because the trading system is what makes more trading profitable. So what these guys did is that they design a trading system, test run different trading strategies, and then they use artificial intelligence, in order to make it consistent, to remove the human factor. One of the psychological factor, because of that psychological factor, the process become structured and consistent in order that gives you guaranteed return, and it's quite amazing. Since I started using this robot, every day I'm making some great amount of profit from it. Another thing that makes this robot quite unique is that the low entry barrier. you know, a lot of robots in the market is very high priced. As in, when it comes to high price, you know, a common a normal an average person cannot use it. An average person cannot trade that. No, you require an average minimum amount of deposit. But with these people, you know, they make it that you with $200, that is around 120 to 130,000 naira, you can get started and start making core daily profit, daily income, earning daily income from the market. That is quite is an amazing thing, you know. You know, you don't require much money, but if you have the capacity, you know, the more you invest, the more the earning potentials increase. But you know, why I have to with the low as $200, you can get started. So you don't need much money. Maybe the more you make money, you just allow you leave the proceed you make from the market, and then it will accumulate and start increasing your profit rate. You know, another thing is the success rate. Yeah, you know, when it comes to trading, there's something we call the winning rate. You know, and this is very critical. It's very critical when it comes to trading, because any strategy that you are using, or any system that you are using that have the winning rate is below 45, that means you will having a losing streak, as you will not be profit. You as a trader, or as an investor, you will not be profitable. You know, you will not be making consistent profit. You know, you will not be profitable. No, you don't even think about making consistent profit, because you will not be profitable. You know, but from winning rate from 50 upwards, you know, then you start talking about being profitable, and depending on your risky reward ratio, you know. But I won't go into those details, right? You know, so that's it. You know, that is an amazing thing. That's something you need for you to, if you want to subscribe to a robot. These are the things that you look out for, you know, to know if this robot is a good investment. You know, the entry barrier, the success rate, the feasibility, the profitability, and the consistency of the profit. You know, this robot, like the one I'm going to introduce you in this video, they have the IPC Capital. They have three types of robots, you know, but the one I'm going to introduce to you, the one I'm using, is called the Genius Robot. And this Genius Robot have 45% return on investment. Although at the end of the day, you don't get that 45%, because the IPC Capital as a firm will take the administrative charge, and they will take their commission. But at the end of the day, you still make you are likely to average at 20% return on investment. That means or more, right? So for per trade, when I'm talking about return on investment, we are talking about per trade. You know, per trade executed. Per trade, the robot executes, right. So if the robot normally it executes 3 trade a day, and that 3 trade it comes out with winning streak, right? So, and it's quite amazing. Something that you need to try it out to see how amazing it is. You know, another thing I've talked about the referral program, which will maximize, you know, increase the rate at which you break even when you start using the robots. So the next thing we discuss is the understanding the IPC business model. So here we discuss, you know, one thing you need to know about IPC Intelligent Prime Capital is that they are Forex Trading Broker. You know, they are Forex Trading Broker. They offer Forex Trading broking services, where you can leverage on them. You know, before you trade Forex, basically you need a broker. You know, you don't just walk in without broker. Maybe open your chatting platform. You know when you open your chatting platform, it will ask you to integrate your broker firm, you know, in order to read the market, study the market. So Forex IPC is a broker, and they offer that means that, and not just that they are broker, they have a superior artificial intelligence trading system that helps you as a trader to maximize to make consistent profit from the market. Then there's a referral program. I'll be talking about a referral program. I will not dwell more on that. Then you might ask, how does these people make money? As a firm, there is an administrative charges. There's commission. They sell their product too, which is the superior artificial intelligence trading robot. Is one of the products they sell. You subscribe to this yearly, not monthly. Something will like, oh, is it month? No. The moment you subscribe that 1 year, it will run for 1 year before you renew your subscription for that robot, right? So, and every year is $100, right? So that's about their business model, how they run their business. If you have questions, you can drop it on the comment box. I'll pick it up there and then do a justice to the question pertaining the business model. In case if you don't understand anything, in case there are some things that you still need some clarifications on. So that's it. There are fintech. When it comes to the world now, fintech is a very big industry, and it have a different types of solutions. It's not just about payment. It's not just about payment. Fintech there's a lot of possibilities you can access in fintech, and this company are fintech, like the photo wave, the PayFac, the PayPal. They are just fintech creating amazing solutions that help investors, especially forex trading investors, to maximize their profit from the forex, right? So these are the things we will dwell. Then we move from moving away from the business model. We talk about the possibilities of making $50. I know most of you who are watching this video want to know how people can make $50 daily using IPC Trading Robot. It's amazing to be making $50 daily. Like in 5 days, you average at in 5 days you average at $250. In 5 days you average at $250 if you're making $50 daily, and that's in Nigerian currency. Now when you convert that, you'll be making like $140,000 weekly, and that is amazing. Think about it, $140,000 weekly. If you're making $140,000 weekly as in Nigeria, it will take a lot of things, a lot of stress, financial stress from you, especially in this season, in this dispensation that we are passing through a great tone of economic hardship. So that's a quite amazing investment. In 1 month you will be making almost 500 and something thousand naira monthly, and that's amazing. Then think about that. You have your main source of income, and this additional source of income giving you that amazing money. So when we stop at this, when we come back at the part 3, we will discuss in details how this is how this is possible, how you can be making this $50. It's not an empty promise or something that is done out of exaggeration. I will show you the details, the steps that how this is done, and I will show you the proof from my own trading account history. Some of the people that have registered their trading account history, you will see the proof how people are making this money. It's not out of exaggeration. Okay, welcome back. On part 2, we start discussing about how to make $50 daily. And a lot of people I know will think, if You will be asking, is this possible? Because $50 is quite a great amount of money that you can make daily. So we continue our discussion in this part, and I will show you how it is done and what you need. So the earning potentials of these robots. So if you invest $100 on average, you'll be earning $1 per day. So think about it. If you invest $100 on average, you'll be earning $1 per day. So in 5 months, you will make $100 and break even. So if you invested that's your $200. If you invest $200, for instance, what you have is $200 and you invest it, and you didn't refer any person to the system. So the chances that you make what you make within every day is that you make like $100, and within 5 months you would have averaged at $100. But something I need to state here is that, so in 5 months your trading account will be more than $200. Why I said that it will be more than $200, that's compounding. If you're not withdrawing your money, right? For instance, you start with $100, and at the end of the month, you didn't withdraw anything out of the account. The possibility is that your trading account will not be $100 again, and the earning potential that is making $100 $1 per day will change, because what you will earn depends on what is in your trading account. Because of that, there's a possibility that at the end of the 5 months that you will make like $200, right? Which will cover all that is your money you invested, and then the money you used to buy the robots. So that's why there are chances that you make more. Then if you refer people to the system, you make even within a month you would have broke even, right? Because your earning capacity will increase. So that's it. So you can withdraw that 200 if you want, or you can withdraw, or you can then you can withdraw the 200. Maybe because your trading account, what you will see after that 5 months is $200 on average, right? I'm trying to on average, but there's possibility that it will be more than $200. So you can withdraw that all in 5 months. So you have already breaking even, you make your withdrawal. So there's possibility, the possibility that what you'll be withdrawing in that 5 months will be around $300 to $400, right? Based on my experience with the robots. That's why I have to say this. That based on my experience with robot, I don't want to over exaggerate or over promise you. It's something that when you get into the system, you get to understand the system very well. You get to understand the system very well when you start using the robots. So these are the earning capacity, the earning potentials, of the robots. The more you increase your trading capital, the more your pro daily earning increase, and that's why. So for you to make $50, daily, we do a little mathematics. So if you want to make $50 per day, what you need, if you invest $100 and it gives you $1 per day, then to make $50, you need to invest 50 times 100. That is $5,000. That is around when you invest $5,000, you will be in every week you will be making $250 per week, $250 per week. So in a month you'll be making $1,000 in a month. Let me tell you, maybe if you invest this $5,000 and you refer people, so in a month you might end up making $2,500. Why I have to say this is that it's something that I have experienced. It is I have experienced it, and it is very amazing. So it's something that when you get into the system, you understand, but I'm trying to use some economic terms, to make, not over exaggerate, not to try to overstroke it, but there's potential that in a month, with your $5,000, you'll be making more than $1,000 every month, right? You'll be making more than $1,000 every month, and that's quite amazing. That's how you make $50 a month from this. So the proof cares, I know a lot of people ask, is this workable, it is real? I will show you a screenshot of my trading history. This is a screenshot of my trading history, and the trading history of someone who registered using $200 only, and my trading history of 1,000, my trading account of $1,000, right? So this is a trading history of 1,000 investment, and when you look at it, you will see the balance, the withdrawal that I made, I have made within a space of 2 weeks. This is a space of 2 weeks. This is the withdrawal that I made. This is the profit that I made within a space of that 2 weeks. It's quite amazing stuff. It's quite amazing. It's something that it's something that when you get into the system, you understand. You have been missing a lot. You have been missing a lot if you are not using IPC Trading Robot to trade forex. If you have not subscribed to that robot, you need to click on the subscription. If you look at the description box, I drop a link, my referral link, that you can click on that to get started right now. When you look at it, these are the if you look at it, it's current 2022. This is amount of money that I made within after the trading day closes. You look at the balance. The balances show you the amount of money that I make, every day that the trading close. You see the amount that I'm averaging in every day the trade close. You see the profit, the money that the profit it makes out of the trade every time the market opens and the global trade, right? So it's something that if you will not really see experience, for you to get really understand how this robot works, you need to try it out. Maybe you can start with $200. It's not a big money. You just start with that $200. That is around 120,000, and then when you see the possibilities, you can increase your initial deposit to maximize the benefit that this robot promises. That's it for the trading history of 1,000 investment. So when you look at the trade history of how do I put the trade history of 100? I shouldn't have put that, to show you the trading history of $100 if you invested $100. So then I know you would like to get started, to start making this money everybody's making, right? So there's the 10 easy steps to subscribe to this IPC Trading Robot. The first step is you need to assemble. You need some tools, and the tools that you need here is just an app. You need a MetaTrader 4 app. If you are trading, if you are a forex trader, MetaTrader 4 is not a strange word. It's something that most traders use to trade. It allows you to integrate your broker. When you get to a broker and then you start trading using MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 is basically a certain platform that you use to study the market, right? The interface I show you this is a typical interface of MetaTrader 4. If you can go to Play Store, you can go to Google Play Store, then type MetaTrader 4, and then you see this logo, you see this icon, this is the icon of MetaTrader 4. Then you install it on your phone and you are good to go. So another thing you need is Google Authenticator. The Google Authenticator, you can get it on Play Store. Google Authenticator is used to do 2FA, that is two-factor security authentication, right? In order to protect your IPC trading capital account, you need to protect it from people not this is money, right? Your money is in that account, so you need to protect it from hackers, because hackers are trying to get access to it, to hack you, to get your money, to take your money. You need to protect it, and the way to do that is to use Google Authenticator, right? So with that Google Authenticator, nobody can access your account except you. So the next thing you need is smartphone. I believe for you to be watching this video, you have already a smartphone or a laptop, and you have an access to internet. But you don't need to have daily access to internet to enable the robot trade. The robot operates on the cloud. It's not something that you install on your phone. It's not something that you store on your laptop. It operates on a cloud solution, right? So with the moment you integrate it on your account, MetaTrader 4, you don't need constant internet to do that, and this is amazing. It's something that you need to consider. Another thing is after the next step after assembling these tools is that you need to do what we call you have to register. I dropped my referral link where you can register, on the description box on the YouTube, on the Facebook, you can see it on the comment box, on the blog page, you can see the referral link, and also on the YouTube, you can look at the comment box and you see the referral link. Then after the registration, you have to do your KYC verification. KYC verification is simple. Know your customer verification, to make sure that you are genuine, you are the layperson you are, and also to get your data, so that you cannot use their system to do fraudulent activity. So KYC verification is very vital. That's the next step you got to do after registration. You do your KYC verification. Or what you need for this KYC, your customer verification, is typically your international passport or national ID card. Then valid one, you need the valid one to do that. So you upload it, they will verify and then approve your account. The moment your account is approved, the next thing you got to do is the 2FA security authentication, two-factor security authentication using your Google Authenticator to do that. So when you are done with that, the next thing you got to do is account funding. To fund your account is very simple. All you need to do is if you already have a Binance account or KuCoin wallet, or you are using Trust Wallet, all you need to do is to look for a variable, the Covenant P2P trading market, where you can buy your USDT, and then the moment you buy the amount of USDT you want to use to fund your account. If you want to fund your account with $200, all you need to do is that you need to buy the USDT of 201, right? Because when you will be transferring the USDT from the wallet, from your own wallet to the IPC Capital wallet, using the TRC20 network, they will charge you 1 USDT. That is why you have to add additional 1. So welcome back, and on the third part of the video, we talked about account funding and how you can do your account funding. The next step after funding your account is to subscribe to the bot subscription. So when it comes to the bot subscription, there are three types of bots, three different bots, but the one that you need to subscribe is one that are selling $100, right? And which is called the Genius bot. That's one is that will have 45% return on investment. So when you subscribe the bot, the next thing you got to do is to integrate your MetaTrader 4 account funding, right? So you move, after subscribing the bot, you move the money that you have funded in your IPC capital, you move it to your MetaTrader 4 account. So the moment you move it to the MetaTrader account, then because then you create your payment account. This one shouldn't be here. You create your payment account, and then you do integrating IPC broker with MetaTrader 4 live account. So the moment you do that, you integrate your IPC MetaTrader broker with the MetaTrader 4 account. So then you withdrawing your profit and using Binance or KuCoin. So the moment you do that, you integrate your IPC broker with MetaTrader 4. To do this, IPC will send you an email containing your investor's password and master's password and MetaTrader 4 code. So you use that to do that, integrate it in the mobile with your MetaTrader 4. So all these steps is something that you register. It's very easy, but I'm always available to help you out in case you want to get registered and you want to go through that. I will help you, walk you through. So at the end of this video, I will drop my contact details that you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, you can send an email, you can drop a comment. I will pick it up there and help you to go through that registration and everything. So withdrawing your profit is very easy. The moment you integrate your trading account, the MetaTrader, the robot will start trading the next day. The robot will start trading the next day and making profit for you. So that's it. So withdrawing your profit is very easy. The same way you fund your account is the same way you do that. So if you are interested in subscribing to this robot, I'm available to help to walk you through all these steps. I don't want to make the video so to extend the length of the video. That's why I didn't do the walkthrough within this video. So but if you are interested, you just contact me. I will walk you through. We go through it step by all the steps, and then it's easy. It's just something that will just take like 5 to maybe 15 minutes. You have already integrate your account and get your robot started, and you start making money, right? So it's quite an easy step to follow. So if you're interested, you can contact me, and this brings us to the end of this series. The first series we are discussing, which is using Forex Trading Robot to be making consistent profit. So if you are watching this video on YouTube, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are quite interested about if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, personal finance and investment, and Forex trading and other amazing opportunity that you can use to make money, then you subscribe. You click the subscribe button now and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then when you subscribe, the next thing you got to do is that you on our notification button, so that whenever we post a new video, you get a notification that we post a new video on our YouTube channel. Then so with that, you will be abreast of every new content that we share on our platform. So for the content details, if you want to contact me, these are my WhatsApp number. You can call me, You can send an email to our private our email address. Our email address is hello@mrshino.club, or you can go to our website at www.mrshino.club in order to access quite other informations. So if you want to register for this, if you want to subscribe, maybe you want to integrate this robot on your MetaTrader 4, you just get in touch with me. I will walk you through. All you need to do now is to click on that referral link to start the registration, and whenever you encounter any difficulty, just contact me. I will help you to go through it, right? So this here we call it a date. Thank you for being through, watching the video. I would like you to share it to your friends, tell your friends about this opportunity, spread the good news. Have a nice day.